Alright, trading recap for Monday the 4th of October. 3-hour day. I think I traded really well, considering I wasn't going to trade at all. Well, it's not that I wasn't going to trade at all, it's because I just didn't have much on my list that I really liked. So this one, I don't really know what to do with this one. It's a 1 minute. It's not a 3-bar play. I basically saw it come up here on decent volume, kind of reject. I kind of saw the clear out, and they kept holding this 50 level, and I basically bought the dip. Is basically what I did. I meant to buy down here, but I wasn't too sure. And then once I saw it get above here, I thought I had a really good chance. So I got like 2.5R. I guess it's 3.5R for most of it. I took most of the position off here. I think I took a 30% partial, 30, and then a 50 of remaining. So I had like token shares left. And then I had the rest down here at stop loss break even, and I saw this kind of clear out, and I thought it would kind of do the same as it did here and just keep going and eventually go up to 85. But like it did have room on the whatever. I mean, it opened up. I don't remember how much it opened up, but anyway. So I gave it a bit of wiggle room right underneath this wick, and so I got stopped out here, which I mean I saw coming right here, but you know there's always that hope that it holds this level. So I'm fine with it. It is what it is. Like you can't win them all. This thing's totally losing the plot right now though, because SPY is as well. SPY's having a bad time. Yeah, tick is pretty negative. What about VIX isn't doing anything? So this is how short my trade list is today. Very short. Next was CCL. What did I do on CCL? So CCL I traded, okay, so this overlay right here, this black overlay, I actually just for today I overlaid AAL instead of SPY, because AAL and SPY, or AAL and CCL move completely in lockstep. So this one was the laggard between the two for sure. I was looking for this 2630 level, and then this is another daily level up here. So this is the volume node, this is the daily level, and then this was pre-market high. So I was actually looking for this, and possibly this, which is yesterday's something here on the daily. So volume node, and that would have been probably yesterday's high is what I'm thinking the blue line is. But yeah, I think I read it quite well in terms of that it was stroked out. So AAL laid over on the price action. You can see that they were this AAL was already past this resistance when I got in, and that's why I got in, because it was a 2-minute. It was a 2-minute kind of 3-bar play here. Thrust, screw around. There was one last kind of throw below, and it just looked really strong. I mean, granted, I would love to have gotten in earlier down here, but 3-bar play. Then I saw the clear out, and usually when you see this, it means it'll go usually on these things like a ton more, but anyway, it didn't. Then the reason I got out and I took my partial is because, again, CCL was lagging AAL, and AAL was had already fallen so much by this time. When I took this partial, AAL was already down to like these levels here of support. It had like a straight down candle, and then this one was just put under here, so which was this candle here. So anyway, yeah, it is what it is. They didn't have nudes, but they had the potential. They had to look like they wanted to go. This is actually a pretty decent curl down trade. Comes back, you short it here, but it's not the daily setup I'd be looking at. Zine was the other one I was looking at. It was up a ton. I didn't know what to do with it. It's trading like an ugly low float, even though it's 37 million shares. Other than that, I don't have anything else. I'm slowly trying to look at low floats, which would be, I did have Ader as well. Ader was just, it had, I don't know, it had nothing pre-market. I don't know why I'm looking at this thing. OPGN, well, there it is. I was looking at this thing short over here for it to do exactly this. UNG, looking at it short somewhere around here is a 2070 level. Here it is. These are just a waste of time. Alright, I'll keep the video short. 3R, decent day, on it tomorrow again.